flight crew and Southwest Airlines. Welcome to Baltimore, Washington, Thurgood Marshall International Airport. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened, your seat backs and tray tables in their full upright long position, and all your carry-on items stowed. You may use your cell phones at this time, but please do remain seated. Once the captain taxis the aircraft to the terminal and he turns off the fasten seatbelt sign, please do be careful when you open the overhead bins. Items may have shifted during flight and they could fall out. If you're connecting here in Baltimore to another Southwest city, please deplane and check the TV monitors in the terminal for your flight and gate information. If you are continuing on this flight to Fort Lauderdale, we're going to ask that you please remain seated in your original seat. Robin will be coming from the back to the front to count you. Once we've got an accurate count, we'll let you know, and then you'll be free to move about the cabin, stretch your legs, and use the lavatories. It certainly has been our pleasure serving you today. We know you have many choices when you fly, and we certainly do thank you so much for choosing us here at Southwest Airlines. We do appreciate your business, and we hope in the future when your plans call for air travel, you'll once again think of us. We certainly do apologize for the delay today. It couldn't be helped. Mother Nature just was not cooperating today, but we hope to make it up to you on a future Southwest flight. Have a wonderful stay here in the Baltimore, Washington area, or wherever your final destination may be. Welcome to Baltimore. Ladies and gentlemen,